everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I have a 2013 Camry in the shop. It's got the 3.5 liter V6, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your overflow coolant tank. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. To remove the radiator overflow reservoir tank, it's a 10mm socket for 2 mounting bolts and then just the hose. So I'm just going to take this one off and this one. And all you gotta do is take the overflow hose, sometimes just pinch it and pull. And you lift your tank right up. So you have a guide pin here. It's in that shroud and the 2 mounting bolts. So line that tab up, place it down. I'm gonna put the hose right on. Then you can just take your bolts, start them, and then I can use my electric gun.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.